Hello friends, how are you? Now we are going to prepare bitter gourd curry. Ingredients required: bitter gourd
1 kg.
1 kg, 2 big pieces of onion chopped into cubicles. Preheat the oil and add onion in it. Let the onion fry. So we have taken almost 4 tablespoons of oil because that is 1 kg of bitter gourd and 2 onions. We need oil, this much of oil, to make sure all the veggies are well fried. Though it is a fried curry, it won't have any gravy. This is required. Add 2 stems of curry leaves. Let them fry for a while. Meanwhile, chop all the bitter gourd into small pieces. Chop bitter gourd into this size of pieces. They are almost 1 cubic centimeter. You can use a chopper if you are comfortable to use it. My mom uses a knife. Add the finely diced Karela or bitter gourd into the onion. Mix well so that the fried onion and bitter gourd completely blends in. So friends, you don't have to fry the bitter gourd on high flame. It should be on medium or moderate flame. After the onions got fried, you have to cook the bitter gourd for 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes it may take even 30 minutes depending on the quantity you are cooking. We are cooking almost 1 kg of bitter gourd and a lot of onion in it. So it will take almost 20-25 minutes of time. Don't let the bitter gourd burn. You have to check it once in a while, mixing. So until the bitter gourd is cooked well, so you better don't keep the stove in high. It is better to maintain the stove in simmer or medium. Mix it very well. Do not add any other ingredients unless it is 3/4 done. After it is cooked for 3/4 like frying, then only we have to add any ingredients like salt or whatever it is. We should wait until then. After 15 minutes of cooking, bitter gourd turns like this. Okay, it is fried very golden brown. Now we are going to add few ingredients. See guys, we are adding some jaggery. Jaggery is sweet in taste. So as the bitter gourd is very bitter in taste, we won't be able to eat it in that taste. So to enhance the curry taste, we are adding some jaggery to it. It is just 1 spoon. It won't dominate the curry taste. Curries are usually spicy in taste or moderate with spice. Curries are cooked with spices. Nothing wrong in adding a spoon of sugar or spoon of jaggery to any curry. The sweet taste also helps balance the acids, stomach acids. Now we are going to add some salt. 2.5 spoons as per your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric. Half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. So friends, to any Indian curry, turmeric is very important. Turmeric gives you a very decent color for every gravy or every fry curry, what you do. So not only color, it also enhances the fragrance of food, fragrance of the curries we make, and it is a very good antibiotic. Cook it for another 10 minutes in simmer. So it is actually frying in oil. That is why we have added a lot of oil in the beginning, covering with a lid. Okay guys, now the bitter gourd is completely fried. You can see the turmeric completely blend in and caramelized onions in it. Now we are going to add some chili powder as per your taste, garam masala, nothing but coriander powder. Most of the Indians are familiar with the ingredients of coriander powder or this garam masala. In this coriander powder we also have some cinnamon and cloves in it. Again we are putting off the lid. The curry is almost done. We are leaving this spices covered, the curry on top of it, closing the lid for the 5 minutes. So it took almost 25 to 30 minutes for us to cook 1 kg of bitter gourd. Leave it in simmer for a while. So friends, the curry is ready. It looks delicious. Yeah, this is a bitter gourd fry curry, so obviously you'll see a lot of oil floating in it. That's okay, but it really tastes delicious. You can accompany this curry only with rice. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.